In the next hearing, I will ask na Ms. Baterna and Macarinas. But before that, Mr. Chairman, in relation, kasi yung Baterna is connected to Cassandra Ong. So can I ask, Mr. Chairman, the BID, what's the status of Cassandra Ong that was reported? Hindi, kaya nga, gusto ko lang i-confirm.
The BID has just informed the committee that Cassandra Lee Ong is now at the Bureau of Immigration facility, correct? And being processed. She's being processed. And after the processing of Cassandra Lee Ong, we have already requested that she be detained at the premises of the House of Representatives.
Kasi she was cited in contempt last hearing. BID nandito? Wala na? BID. Ay. Please take a seat. Yung case ni Cassandra Ong, when he left the country, do you have a record? When was that? Private plane ba? Commercial ba? What commercial plane?
Mr. Chair, I'll have to check the records. And,
Yeah, the records.
Yes, sir. We have
Yung exit. Yung palabas ng bansa.
Di ba meron tayo? Cassandra Lee.
Yung departure niya is...
Yes, we have, Mr. Chair. The latest departure of Ms. Cassandra Ong was on June 11, 2024.
June 11, 2024. Tama. Now,
Yes po.
yung remarks dito, may lookout bulletin. Sa lookout bulletin siya, tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Paano siya nakalabas? Ano ba to? BID, commercial ba sinakyan niya? O private? Tapos saan airport?
Ano sinakyan daw?
Ako
Good evening, Mr. Chair. So, based on our records, Cassandra Lee Ong left on June 11, 2024. So, I don't have the exact flight here, but since it's in the BI database, I presume it was a commercial airline, Mr. Chair.
But where? But where? Yung flight, ano niya? Yung exit and entry niya?
I'll have to call the office now, Your Honor.
Please.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pati yung ano, kung saan siyang airport, pwede naman kasi sa Clark, pwede sa Cebu, di ba?
Yes, we'll check,
Pwede
Your
rin
Honor.
private.
Yes, Your Honor. And then, as regards the lookout bulletin you were asking earlier, the date of that lookout bulletin, Your Honor, is 21 June 2024.
So nakalabas niya bago niyo inilabas yung lookout bulletin?
Based on the database, yes, Your Honor.
Oh, but the hearing of this committee and even in the Senate started, di ba? Ilang months na.
We are not I have to check, Your Honor, if there was a lookout bulletin issued by the House and the Senate at that time, Your Honor.
Hindi, tsaka i-check nyo rin, pati yung kaap. Kasi baka yung record, kasi kailangan na, kung private yan, mati-check natin, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor. We will check the flight details. Your
Kailangan kasi natin to kasi bakit nakalusot palabas ng bansa using a Philippine passport?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh,
She was using a Philippine passport.
nung exit niya.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, anyway, pakikuha lang po, then coordinate with kaap. No?
Yes, Your
Baka
Honor.
private plane. Now, DFA nandito pa? Please.
Von Ryan Pami po, Chair's Passport Director.
Thank you. With regards to the passport of Cassandra Ong, bakit nakalabas siya? In short, active yung passport niya. You never canceled the passport of Cassandra Ong.
She's Filipino kasi, yung kanyang citizenship eh. So, the only way for us to cancel the passport if there is a court order, may kaso, well, kung may kwan siya, dahil sa na-hearing siya, nasa watchlist siya namin. Pag nasa watchlist siya, she can only be pag-renewal. But for her, according to the law, sa new passport law, in case of a Filipino citizen naman siya, there's no doubt naman sa kanyang citizenship. It's a matter if pag may case filed siya sa court, and the court, dahil may mag-flight risk siya, that is the only time that the court will order us to cancel the passport.
So, Cassandra Ong is a Filipino.
Yes.
Are you sure of that?
Yes, ang
Hindi,
record po namin.
hindi late registration na naman.
Even delayed registration.
Sigurado ka?
As far as I remember, I had to double check, parang naturalized siya na naturalized siya na Filipino. Though I had to defer to the BID on that, but I had to double check. I remember she's a naturalized Filipino.
Mr. Chairman, yung yung sa PSA nandito ba? PSA?
Good evening, Your Honors.
Do you confirm that Cassandra Ong, as stated by the FNBI, is a Filipino citizen by birth?
Based on the birth records that we have on file, he is born of a Chinese mother and apparently a Filipino father, Your Honors.
When?
The date of birth is May 23, 2000, and she was registered on 2001. So this is of delayed registration for about 1 year, Your Honor.
Delayed registration na naman. Pakicheck na naman yan.
We are already on it.
Anyway, DFA, ito lang kasi in that case, so that law also applies to Filipinos
Yes.
outside of the country as of now and cited in contempt in this committee, and until now their passport has never been cancelled by DFA because of that law.
No po. Every time naman po. Pag may, for example, I'll explain. Pag may kwan siya, pag may, for example, whole departure order, pag meron siyang pag-cited in contempt, ang ginagawa po, nilalagay po natin siya sa watch list. Pag nasa watch list siya, we don't actually cancel the passport. Hindi lang siya makakapag-renew.
No,
Pag
but,
hindi siya
excuse
Yes, sir.
problema, hindi siya makakapag-renew pero tumakas sa ibang bansa. And he's using the passport in the case of Pangilinan.
Yes.
Di ba?
But kasi sa
Di ba, ang tinanong na kita nung nakaraan, anong possible legal remedy? But in the case of Alice Go, why so fast to cancel the passport of Alice Go?
Ganito.
Kaya Filipino passport din hawak niya.
Yes po.
But that fast? Dahil Senado ang nag-imbestiga?
Hindi po.
Dahil Senado nagpa-contempt?
To be honest po, hindi pa siya canceled ang passport ni Alice.
Pakilapit-lapit mo yung microphone. Sorry?
The passport is still in the process of cancellation. We are still waiting kasi nang ma-confirm. We've sent letters to the Bureau of Immigration and the National Bureau of Investigation. We know that they have the biometrics of Guo Huaping. We have sent them, kasi there are two ways to cancel a passport. A, court order. Or B, by the very basis of the application, false yung application. Now, if, for example, matagal kasi ang court, it will take time. But in this case naman na they are stating that Alice Go is Guo Huaping. And they say that my biometrics from SIRV ata ang ginamit with NBI records. Kaya sinasabi nilang one and the same. That is the reason why because we have biometrics in our record. We wrote to NBI to please confirm yung biometrics ba namin, that was July 7. Yung biometrics pa ba namin dito sa passport database? Does it, and your biometrics of Guo Huaping and Alice Guo, is it one and the same person? All we need is a confirmation from them to prove that she has a fake identity, because we need that documentary evidence to cancel the passport.
How about in the case of Eddie Yang? So ang sinasabi mo kasi is if proven that indeed Cassandra Ong Alice Go falsified.
Yes.
Oh, now in the case of Eddie Yang,
I'll double check. Eddie Tai Yang, kasi may passport na foreign eh. It was already forwarded by us by my certification from the Bureau of Immigration that's stating that this person is a foreigner, and because of this certification, we can cancel the passport. Because Eddie Tai Yang did not mention in his passport may false statement siya sa application form niya. False statement being, di ba, when you apply for a passport, there's a particular notion there, as application there stating na, do you have a foreign passport or do you have foreign citizenship? Eh di naman niya tinate na may foreign citizenship siya. So, false statement, we can cancel the passport.
so you have canceled now?
It's cancelled.
Ha?
Yes po.
Sigurado ka?
Yes.
Yung kay Eddie Yang,
Eddie Tai Yang.
na-cancel na?
Yes.
Okay, anyway,
Yun lang
pagod
po
na.
ang kailangan po namin for the Guo siblings. Ang kailangan namin, because we've sent those biometrics, please confirm. Kasi it has to be confirmed before we can do something.
You need to confirm that indeed that person is lying or that person falsified the document or that person is not a Filipino, di ba?
Yes.
But all Filipinos having a Filipino passport, you cannot cancel it, as you have said, because of that law.
No. For all, it's a protection to all of us naman eh, all Filipinos eh.
No. Kasi fugitive yun in court eh.
Yes.
Oh.
It's the courts po ang sa amin, the courts po ang magde-determine whether fugitive or justice siya. Basta utusan lang kami ng court, wala kami problema, sir.
But in your end, do you... kasi kayo sa DFA, dapat kayo mag-file ng cancellation sa court, authority from the court.
Normally, in most cases, it's usually law enforcement who does the filing.
Anyway,
Or basta case build-up or DOJ or whichever agency will feel, basta may case build-up and ma-cancel yung, ma-order kami cancel, we will cancel the passport.
anyway, Mr. Chairman, i-reserve ko lang po. Marami pa tayo pag-usapan, especially dun sa possible legislative actions na gawin natin. No? Mula pa kasi noon yan sa Mexico, hanggang dito. Pare-pareho yung mga cases, no? With regards to passport, with regards to BI. Now, Mr. Chairman, with that, Mr. Chairman, may I move, Mr. Chairman, that in the next hearing, we will invite CAAP, no? Representative from the CAAP, so that we just confirm the flight schedule of Alice Go and Cassandra Ong. With that, Mr. Chairman, I end my interpellation to the DFA and to the BI, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman Paduano.